Morning everybody. What you can see behind me is a swimming pool. This is the project I'm going to be starting in January. It's about 3 weeks long, but obviously weather's going to impact this project. And what this project is it's a swimming pool that has been put at the side of a rock outcrop. So it's concrete on the side of rock, and it follows the rock away from this area here. So it goes 3 meters deep at the bottom. There's no drains at the bottom. So what the client has asked me to do is, he wants it reducing in height so that he can use all the pool. So he wants to be able to use the whole aspect of the pool. So I'm reducing it in depth to about 1.6 meters. When I reduce it in depth, I'm going to put a pool drain at the bottom of the pool because he doesn't have one at the moment. So the water at the bottom doesn't circulate. It's always very cold. So we're going to put a new drain right at the bottom. On the back wall over here that you can see, we're going to put new jets, and on this front wall we're going to put new skimmers because it's got an old out-of-date filter system that is a real pain to work, and he wants a new one. Putting lights in it, and we'll be making it a salt system as well. So this is the project. This is going to be kind of January, February, March. I'm going to be probably putting tents over it like I did with my pool to try and mitigate downtime due to rain or snow, because a lot of the work is, as you can see the cream behind it, this is like a kind of a fiberglass lining that's across the entire pool, and it's delaminated from the side of the concrete. It's quite normal. So what we're going to do is got to break all that fiberglass off, clean it all off, and then we're going to put a 2-part epoxy primer on and paint system that will make it waterproof. You'll change the colour a little bit. But that's after we've finished all the work. So there's going to be a lot of videos coming up on this, a lot of time-lapse videos of us probably spending quite a lot of time breaking this fiberglass off. I don't know how easy it's going to come off. Some parts of it are delaminated, some parts are quite stuck, so we'll have to employ different methods to remove it. And it's all going to be clean, it's all going to be prepared before we put the new primer on. But of course we've got to put all the services in first, and the added difficulty is, as I said previously, this is a rock crop. I'm standing here on an outcrop of rock that runs away from the house, and I've got to try and get all my service pipes through this. So I've got to get the water supply to the jets, there's water supply from the skimmers up to the filter system, which is over there. So all this has got to be done as well. So that's going to be a difficult task, and I forecast to the client it'll take me about 3 months about, and we're just going to see how we go. So check it out, subscribe if you want to watch the pool updates. This is going to be quite a big project for me. I'll be having other people help me as well, so it's going to be an interesting job.